corruption trial against former eThekwini Mayor Zandile Gumede and her 21 co-accused has again been postponed at the Durban High Court. Karinda Jagmohan has been following developments around this case for us, and she joins us for an update. Talk to us about some of the reasons for the postponement.
Indeed, while we understand that some of the reasons for this postponement yet again regarding financial issues with some of the accused. Now, the last time this case was at the courts was on the 18th of July when trial was supposed to start. But at that time, three out of the 22 suspects had legal issues. So the trial was postponed for today, where it was pre-trial conference happening to iron out some of these funding issues. And then again, we hear today that another attorney is pulling out from representation of accused number 15, 16 and 17. These are two businessmen and their company, which is listed as an accused here. They say that they do not have finances to actually pay their attorney to continue on with this case. As a result, the attorney has withdrawn and they have now applied for legal aid. So on the 11th of August will be yet another pre-trial. This will be the third pre-trial in this case, where we're going to hear if those suspects indeed have the assistance of legal aid, or they have to find an attorney which they can then further fund. So funding has been a major issue in this case. Now, because of these matters, the counsel for Zandile Gumede, who's listed as accused number 1, has requested whether or not there could be a separation in this trial, whereby those who are ready to proceed with trial can go ahead, and those who have issues with funding, their trial would be held separately. But the judge here, Judge Charmaine Balton, saying that it is too early to actually go ahead with this, and they're going to wait to see if legal aid can assist some of these suspects here in this multi-million rand corruption trial, at the center of which is a tender at the Durban Solid Waste Unit. So that was basically the major issue. And now because of this, we could only see trial in this matter start next year because of these pre-trial issues that need to be ironed out. And due to another issue that came before the court was with regards to allowing media to film inside the courtroom. Previously, there has been some issues with regards to media coming through to film the proceedings. Some reasons were given because of COVID-19 and space issues, but today the South African National Editors Forum appealing a ban on cameras, and now so that court letter that initially said cameras would not be allowed inside the courtroom has been set aside, and media will again be able to apply to televise and broadcast the proceedings that are happening here. Of course, this one where a prominent politician, the former mayor of the city of Durban, has been accused of stealing funds from the city through this multi-million rand tender. Dudu.
Karinda Jagmohan at the High Court in KwaZulu-Natal. Thank you very much for that update.